All right, recording. So, ni pagsugod, isa lang nga.
Hi, hello.
3, 2, 1. Hello, good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, Rian, and good morning sa ato ang guest karong
Good
buntag. Good
morning.
morning, Brittany. Agoy. Napasayop na sleep.
Oh my gosh. Sorry. Kuwasa pagit ako nga part dito pagit na end. Sorry.
Okay ra. Ay, good morning. Good morning, Brittany.
Good morning. Final na.
Kamusta man?
Okay lang.
Thank you.
Stress after kuan. Na-stress na yun noon nga na umanaog eskwela.
Thank you kayo for your time, no? So, saan na mapagtawag sa imo nga Ma'am Brittany?
Ala, ayaw, uy. Okay. Ako
So,
lang to.
intimate ano din siya? Interview.
Ha?
Close friends rin guys. Oo. So, amo din yung Brittany, amo ang interview for our social orientation nga performance task. And we're excited to know more about you and your experience dito sa Liceo. We are first year students. Kauban na karon si Rian and among other group members will enter in to share what they learned sa interview. So to start, can you introduce yourself, your name, graduation batch, and current occupation or role nimo karon?
Okay. Hi everyone. Good morning. Good day. Ako rin si Brittany H. Palapar. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Arts in Political Science at the Sede Cagayan University.
Yes.
And among batch last year, 2024. So, ni-graduate ko last year. And akong current occupation, actually, I came from a government agency, mo ang DPWH, and I worked there for 9 months. But nag-stop ko due sa kanang physical needs sa akong mama, marag kanang nagsakit akong mama, so need ko mag-stop. And then karon nako gina-applyan na work from home. So gawait na lang ko for tomorrow for the final interview. So yes. I can't hear you. Nakamute guro ka.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so nakamit tayo. Thank you so much once again, Whitney, for your time. And to start our interview, we have a few questions here. And si Rian ang first nga mag-interview sa first nga part sa ato ang interview this morning. Rian.
Okay, good morning po. Nami 6 questions actually sa among main interview nga questions good, and okay na mag-start na po.
Yes, go ahead.
So, first is, what were some of your most memorable experiences during your time at Liceo?
So man, daghan kayo. Okay, of course, siguro parang one experience pod na parang memorable during my time in Liceo, during sa mga intrams bitaw, sa mga school events kay grabe ka particular ang Liceo gyud sa mga events niya, grabe kay sila ka kuan sa ilang mga estudyante nga gihatagan gyud after mga stressful weeks sa mga exams, sa mga lessons, gihatagan gyud nila ang students of time to unwind, to refresh for the new sem na pod or for the new term na pod. So siguro one of my most memorable experience at Liceo kay was joining school events, and of course ang pag-apil pod nako sa mga organizations nga gibuhat ni Liceo. You know, it helps me to grow, it helps me to become become the best version of myself na kung unsa nako karon, and also nahon pod niya, and because of those activities or because of those initiatives or mga activities and mga organizations ni Liceo, nahon pod niya ang akong communication skills nga of course very important and relevant when it comes to pag after school or kanang mag-apply og trabaho or kanang basically sa pagkuan lang gid sa pagiging kauban sa mga tao. It helps you know to grow and to kuan pod the camaraderie ingani-ngana. So I think that's one.
Okay, wow, thank you for that po. It's very good siya like the
Timing
next
sa atong
question po
entrance
is-
pod karon.
Yes.
Next question is, how did your education at Liceo help shape your personal and professional growth?
Parang may education pod sa Liceo kay kanang wala lang pod siya nag-taught bitaw about academics ingana. It shaped pod my character and disiplina pod sa ako galingon. So the school parang emphasize both excellence and compassion man pod at the same time. O katong nga mga values, of course, it helped me to become more confident and purpose-driven pod sa akong career and in my life. Sa akong future endeavors sa life. So parang yan.
Okay, thank you for that. Okay, last question na po sa ako ang part. What extracurricular activities or organizations were you involved in during your time at Liceo?
So, parang mo to akong giingon kaniya, katong, as I said earlier, parang I was part of parang a few student organizations outside and inside Liceo. So, which helped me discover my leadership skills and taught me about teamwork but very important. So parang joining these groups or joining this kind of organizations, it allowed me to kind of meet people with different backgrounds, different ideas, and I also learned how to collaborate and communicate better. So parang I also see or nakita pud nako ang beauty of differences. Kaya of course, you will encounter a lot of different people, parang ingana pod. So, moto siya.
Okay, thank you for that po. Si Ella na po next mag-question sa inyo.
Okay.
Yes, like very true gyud. Kana nga mga sana activities kay daho usag nahon sa imong ano. Yes, actually I've also seen you lead sa church, di ba? So Christy, ay, sana Christine Kyle naman ako naingon.
Nag-email ako
Christine Kyle
nagamit.
mo imong pangalan. So, Brittany, kanang knowing nga katong mo bitaw to ang pag-shape sa education nimo sa Liceo sa imong personal o sa professional life. Can you share more a bit sa imong career path after nimo pag-graduate sa Liceo?
Parang after pag-graduate, actually, wala jud mi plano manarbaho. Wala mi plano manarbaho kay parang Bachelor of since I graduated Bachelor of Arts and Science, parang na gi-overlook na mo or among nag-expect na nga mag-proceed with law school tanan. But after gid sa pag-graduate na mo, wala gid siya nahitabo. So, wala na mo gi-follow ang katong career path na gusto mi mag-lawyer ingan nga na. Pero we're not closing man put our doors for that. So, parang some of us went on their lives na narbahon, nga nilahi nga mga, though we were, nga mong graduate kay political science, so more likely namin sa government agency. But then we realized after graduation that it's really not that important. I mean, dako gyapon siya impact or dako gyapon siya factor, pero pag nanagid ka sa real world kay parang ma-open imong mind na kanang dili din nato need i-push ang atong self, especially nga lisod kay makasulod og mga government agency na mga panarbaho. So parang nangita gid mig mga career na wala na naglinya sa amo ang mga kurso. So, after graduation, siguro we started to, ako personally, I started pursuing my chosen career, but and apply the values I learned from Liceo. So, moto nga nag-work ko sa DPWH, no, and the foundation I got from the university pod kanang the prepare jud pod ko diya and the adopt pod jud nako ang grow in the real world, you know, the core values ni Liceo jud ako kalimtan kay memorize gid na mo na before me mag-graduate. Memorize na mo na siya para makapapirma mi sa among ang clearance. So parang, you know, the excellence, integrity, loyalty, discipline, and service, parang na-apply jud na mo, pud yun na siya sa pag-choose sa among career path. Ug katupong nanajud bitaw mi, kay parang, kanang nanajud mi sa kaninga dalan bitaw. So parang mo to siya nga, wise lang yun kaayo, no, the core values, how it kuan pod na adapt pod namo siya sa amo ang pagpanarbaho, dili lang pod sa pagpanarbaho kundi pod sa amo ang mga daily lives. So mao to siya.
Gabi, memorize gyapon hantud karon, di ba?
Dili actually gi-search pa nako nagahapon itong core values dili sa
wala na siya na memorize by words pero na natin sa heart, no?
Yes.
Na live na. So, in light of that, Brittany ba, sa kanang pag-abot nimo sa reality sa kinabuhi, naginay parts nga murag makaingon ka nga ang imong na-learn, matag siya foundation, pero dili bitaw siya nga directly, like, mo gito ang imong magamit. You'll use everything that you've learned in school. Sometimes you have to use your initiative and everything outside. Knowing that, nga in light of that, what advice can you give to those who are graduating, they're preparing to graduate, or also for us, first year dentistry, no? Like for us, knowing that ingana di ang reality pag graduate nimo, what would your advice be for us who are still in the journey sa pag-eskwela?
B? Charis? Kuan, siguro, ang pagkuan lang po dyan, parang i-enjoy lang yun bitaw ang every moments. Kaya parang, kaya ra ba yun na realize nga ni-graduate na mi because we're not getting any younger. Dili na mi pwede mo balik og kuan, dili na mi pwede mo balik og college para ibalik to nga kuan nga parang nami gusto nga napadi mi gusto buhaton, spend time with our friends. At the same time pod nga we spend time with our friends pero dili pod na makalimot na mag-spend time with our academics nga na. So parang one of the advice nga ako makagive which is na live man pud gyud namo during our college years is that to really enjoy it and to meet a lot of people. Parang I always believe na to go out bitaw of our comfort zone ini nga na. So parang and apilitan ng opportunities, apilitan ng events, apilitan ng kuan kay mura pud na kana nga 4 years manggod nato sa college kay parang mura pud na atong chance na parang mura pud na unless kung mag-proceed na pud kag other ko ani nga na. Pero parang college years pud kay it's a really kuan nindot jud kay siya nga experience pud jud diha nimo nakaghan kag mailan ng mga people especially nga ang Liceo kay ang student diha dili lang taga Cagayan naapod ko actually my friends right now kay from Pagadian, from Kabadbaran, from unsa pa Kabad Sambuanga, parang nga bitaw parang also Liceo kay gather gid bitaw niya ang mga people nga with different values, different perspective in life. So parang grab that opportunity, meet a lot of people, and of course, stay humble and never stop learning. Nga na, parang you enjoy it, but at the same time, wala pug ka nag-stop og learn bitaw na kana unsa gyud ang life with these people, nga na. And also remember that when we say success kay parang maningkamot kita ingan na magkuan jud ta pero also success is not just kuan dili lang day siya about sa academics pero success also when you meet other people when you parang live good your life ingan na and also parang success man pud good it doesn't happen overnight so you have a lot of things to do pa you have a lot of kanang to discover with yourself so parang it's a journey bitaw it's a journey and also Liceo parang already equipped us or already equipped you for that. So, moto siya.
Amazing. Brit, thank you so much, no? You know what, na-answer na actually nimo ang next na question nga among ready. Kanang what values or lessons from Liceo do you carry with you in your daily life and sa imong work? But if you'd like to add, napaka-i-add nga unsay values or lesson nga specific nga murag na carry gid nimo sa imong daily life and work?
Siguro ko parang Liceo man pod good thought. Well, sige, grabe na gid ni nga endorsement sa Liceo. Parang Liceo man good parang tudluan pod niya ang ilang mga estudyante na to unsa man to always give their best, to always give their best and everything that they do and more nadala pod nako na siya sa akong parang daily life nako and always to and also I always remind myself to always stay grounded no matter I go sorry mo siya kanta how far I go so mo siya
Ay yes no so wow
murag mga speechless rin mo
dili na gano'n siya gamay. Naglag gamay.
Naglag? Okay, sorry.
Nandun ka na ako. And, diretso lang ko. And si Rian na din, motiva sa ato ang kay final thoughts and wrap up. Pero, kanang before magpunta si Rian, ako pumunta na sa first question, Rian, sa closing. Kanang, di ba nag-share ka ganina nga if sa to katong paghatag ni mag-advice sa mo for you kana kung ikaw ang mobalik, if you were to go back and be a student and you could give yourself an advice, what would you tell your younger self? Yang magyapon ka karon.
Feel na ko kay ugma pa ta mo siguro parang if I will go back nga parang to be college or to be young again. I mean, young man gyapon ko, but karon lang young with a lot of responsibilities and young with a lot of expectations and pressures, nga na. But if I could go back siguro in time or in unsa siguro kung as a student sa Liceo, unsa ko mag-give, siguro parang I'd tell my younger self to unsa man, to enjoy the journey more and more and to not be afraid of mistakes kay parang sa una kay karon man good looking back daghan mig mga mistakes po na nabuhat sa una pero sa una parang kuan kay me kanang stress kay me na hilak-hilak me and all that but then looking back parang karon nga nana ko dere parang parang thankful lang pud jud ko na naagian namo to so when siguro parang I'd tell myself na when we make mistakes kay parang dili lang dapat na parang ma-down or super ingana but to also learn from it parang ingana bitaw because you know kanang I always believe pod na during that times pod sa akong pagka-student life because murag that's where we're learning how so parang dito jud nato daghan tag matun-an ingana tapos katupo natunan nato that karon na din na siya mag-make sense ang tanan karon siya mag-make sense nga okay nag-end din ako to kay para na ako'y ma-realize karon na ako'y mabalikan karon nga parang na how much more karon so parang I would tell myself na parang you know to experience it all to make mistakes over and over again and of course to learn from it so mao to siya nga akong maingon sa akong kaugalingon.
Tinood gid that's so true. And I think all of the advice that you gave to that you would give to your younger self, it will really accomplish that good for us listening. So really,
Okay, thank you po for sharing your inspiring story with us, and it's an honor, Gid, you po. And also, before we wrap up po, we prepared a few final questions for you, and so let's get started po. And my question po is, how do you stay connected to Liceo or to your former classmates today?
Ganahan kay ko na questions. Parang I stay connected with them, of course, pod, no? Ang uban man ako ng mga friends kay nana nang balik na sa ilang mga lugar, ingana nagbalik na sa ilang mga lugar. So para I stay connected with them, of course, through social media and mga, I think nami alumni event na paabutay. Siguro ana mag-come together na pod me. But of course, I always make time with my friends. Pag naa sila dito sa syudad, or one of the friend man pod nako kay nara man po siya sa Liceo nagtudlo. Pero we make times good. We get mag-dinner out me, or mag-catch up lang good sa life parang ana. So mo to siya, and it's always nice po diba to catch up and see how everyone is doing in their own paths, in their own life na karon after graduating. So mo to nga mga catch up pod ang among gabang buhaton nga. So yeah.
Okay, like it's good to hear po na napagid mo kanang connection sa imong mga friendships like after all those years nga panag-uban niya. And the question po is, would you encourage others to study?
Ako ba ang signal? Basin ako ha.
try daw again.
Okay.
Next question.
Sige. Would you encourage others to study at Liceo, and why?
Oh, of course. Ako good ng alumni. Yes, ako siya i-recommend. Ako i-recommend ang Liceo U. Because Liceo, dili lang tungod kay di ako nag-eskwela ha, but also Liceo doesn't just mold students academically academically, but kuan pod, it helps pod students to grow individually. Parang nga naban, it's also a place that values pod both excellence and compassion, nga na. And it also, and it really feels like kanang a second home bitaw, nga parang when dirigikan sa atong balay, naputay lahi po ba yung atong life there, but dito po sa school, kay lahi po atong life dito, and it brings us, most of the time, parang it brings the most out of us, parang nga na ba? So, you know, with friends po, di nga na, and what things po I love about Liceo is that they gather students from different places, and that's when you learn from them. That's where you learn from them, and of course make connections pud bitaw nga na. So I think yes, ako yung ikuan, ako yung i-recommend ang Liceo U.
Okay, thank you for that po. It's amazing na how that impact your success good in your life po. So, next question is, what legacy or message would you like to leave for future generations of Liceans?
Siguro be proud of what you came from. I mean, also, Liceo is also a prestigious school pod. Parang, be proud kung aha sa Tagikan. Parang, it is the place where it is the place na kung asa nag-start ang tanan, ninga na. And also, use what we learned, yun. Use what we learn to make a difference in the world. Parang, and also, para pod, pag naay mailhan, parang usually, pag nanata sa real world, you know, when you adopt also the things that you learned from your previous school or from Liceo specifically, parang they'll know pod na what kind of students do Liceo build or do Liceo kanang himo bitaw nila nga mga estudyante out of you. So parang be proud lang and always uphold the core values of Liceo U.
Okay, before we close, do you have any last words or shout outs you'd like to share with your former teachers, classmates, or the Licean community?
Okay, shout out guys ako guys. Shout out ako ang mga classmates nga nagtudlo na po diya karon sa Liceo. Silang Elazar, silang Monica, Ma'am Kat, and Ma'am Kate. Sir Wins, i-hire na ko. Sa ako po ay mga sa among chairperson, Sir Winston. Sir Wins, i-hire na ko kay Google ako sa chat sa inyo. So yes, ako ang mga previous mentors po sa una na who helped me to become a better version of myself. Hello diya sa inyo. I hope you keep on inspiring other students like how you inspired me. So that's it. Thank you guys.
Okay, thank you po.
Thank you once again, Brittany. Napa ba ka? Yes, so it's really a great opportunity and great privilege to be able to interview you, Bestie.
Yes,
And
that's
before we close, mag-open camera ta riyan. Inspiring kayo mo ang story, Brittany. And
thank you kaayo.
pidigid siya pang ad sa advertisement sa Liceo. And thank you so much, Ma'am Hazel Nieves, for this assignment that you gave us. So let's have a picture lang before we go. Maka-open camera ba ta?
Makita ko?
Kana kay dili.
Ako?
Oo.
Wait.
Ay kana kita na.
Kana.
Wala sa akong screen record kay dili makita. Dila nga.
Eh?
Ana. Lang. Wala 20 ano man data we were able to go atong time kay 25 minutes. Wala siya sa screen record ba? Sorry, Ma'am Hazel, hindi makita sa screen record ang video. Sige lang, mag-screenshot na lang ko sa ato ang Sa ato ang Rian, maka-open camera ka Rian. Open camera siya sa imo ha, Brit.
Dili.
Dili pod.
Naka-okay pa po.
Naka-open camera naka-dai Rian. Sige, I think something wrong sa ato ang ano. Sige lang. Alright. Take a screenshot. Pero makita ni mo si Britney Rian. Makita po ito ni mo.
Ikaw tamo.
Sige, ikaw na lang mag-screenshot Rian para
Sige, sige.
complete na din.
Sige, 1, 2, 3, na.
Okay, humana Rian. Thank you again.
Yes, welcome.
Your
Anytime.
flag of appreciation will be given
Uy.
soon.
Thank you Paz, for having me.
Thank you. So God
Yes.
bless sa imong padayon nga journey.
Yes. Thank you, bestie. Thank you, Rian. Thank you.
Stop kita yung internet.
So, mo out na